and welcome everyone to our Dancer AI complete course series by techlatest.net. So far, we will cover a lot of things like Dancer AI course overview, Dancer AI introduction, and I will also talk about various cloud platforms like setup and installation of Dancer AI on AWS, GCP, and Azure. So in this lecture, we're talking about overview of Dancer UI, like what is user interface in Dancer AI, what is normal user interface, what is admin user interface, what are the functionalities in Dancer UI, and we'll also talking about the login, how you create account, what is HTTPS method in the Dancer UI, and like how you access Dancer UI via browser through public IP. So yep, let's start the lecture. So moving to the next slide, uh, mm, moving to the next slide. Yes. So in this lecture, we'll cover user account setup and login, like what is admin user interface, what is admin user account, what is normal user account, and like admin user interface, what is connectors, OpenAI key and configuration, user management, and normal user interface like search and query stuff, and like what is search and query in Dancer AI. And apart from this, like we'll also show you how you log in an account, how you create account, what is HTTPS method, and why HTTPS is very important. And yep, we are also talking about connectors, OpenAI key configuration, and other stuff. So yep, let's move to our Dancer UI interface. So basically, this is our Danswer UI interface, and this is our public IP. Like here, you can see we are accessing Danswer UI interface through public IP and HTTPS. Okay, so what we have to do after restarting the VM, we'll show you how you start and how you set up installation of Danswer AI on various cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, and Azure. So you check out our previous lecture and previous videos for that. So in this lecture, like we'll show you like how you after setup and installation of AWS, after setup and installation of Dancer AI on AWS, GCP, and Azure, how you like create account and other stuff. Okay, so basically what you have to do, you can simply copy your public IP from any VM, like that depends on you which VM you use, like AWS, GCP, and Azure, which cloud platform you use. We are providing solution all the three cloud platforms, including AWS, GCP, and Azure. So copy your public IP and in browser type HTTPS like this, HTTPS double colon slash slash, and uh, type your or paste your public IP. After like hit enter, you can access this type of interface. I will show you. I will also show you HTTPS, and after this, we have to copy our public IP instance, go on instance page, and our VM is also running. So I have to like I am on AWS. That depends on you. Like you choose any cloud platform and hit enter. It will take some time. So yeah, you can see like it works, and like I use HTTPS and then I use my public IP, and after this you have to log in this panel. Like you have to also create account. I have already created account from my ID. So yeah, if I create new account, so that is user. So like first you can create account or do some stuff, and for creating an account you have to click on this button, and like mm, for this you have to sign up with your email or password. Like first when you enter any when you are first user, you enter any password, so that is your password for this panel, this admin panel. So I am logging here. And I enter my password. Yep, you can see like we are logging into our admin panel, and like I am create account with my ID first. So I am admin in Dancer UI. If any user is come first, like first uh, user will log in with any ID, so that is admin. Like first user is always admin in Dancer AI. Okay, and after first user, second user is come and log in Dancer. So that user, that is not admin. Or even if third, fourth, fifth, sixth user is come, so that user is always user, not an admin. Okay, so what we have to do, this is basic user interface of Dancer AI. You can see the search and chat functionality. Like if you click on this and search functionality, give me a minute, I think it will, yeah. So you can like find a lot of stuff here, like new chat stuff and other stuff also. Okay, if you click on chat functionality, it will take some time. I click on this. You are also click on this. I think my net is slow. Yeah, you can see the search functionality, and here you can see the like chat functionality. Okay, so like we'll go on this icon, click on this icon. You can see the admin panel because I am the first user here in this admin dashboard. So I am the admin. Okay, click on this admin panel. You can find other stuff also like existing connectors and add connectors option. Like you can find other stuff like add connectors, import knowledge from various sources like web, file, Google site, and these are the apps or third-party SaaS apps. You can directly integrate Dancer with these apps. Like if you have Slack organization, if you have GitHub organization, or if you have a GitHub user, or if you are integrate Dancer with Notion, so you can directly click on this icon and like connect your Notion, connect your Jira, connect your GitHub. If I click on GitHub, okay, so you can see the access token stuff here. Okay, I go back, and if I click on Confluence, so same here you can give access token, and if I click on Notion, so integration token once for Notion for authorization. Like for web, you can see a lot of stuff like you select any website or like a URL, and after giving URL, like here, I will show you one thing. Give me a minute. Add connectors. If I click on add existing connectors, okay. So if I click on existing connectors, so you can find about like already like connect one PDF and one medium page of techlatest.net. And after this, like what we have to do, we have like I'll show you one demonstration also. You click on add connector, and then what we have to do, click on web. Okay, and I will show you demo of techlatest.net website. Okay, so copy this and enter here. After this, select an option, and that is also not mandatory, but I select recursive, connect it. Okay, so yeah, it is like you can see it is connect, like scrap matter is recursive, status is enable, and you can also delete this. Okay, you can also delete the connector. And what we have to do, we have to do on we have go like we will use now search functionality. Okay, so what we have to do, like list all the products of tech latest dot yeah, net from techlatest.net in bullet points. Okay, so yeah, and I have to hit enter. Here, like you can see AI answer building, like AI answer, and here you can see AI is building your answer. Okay, so yeah, you can see here. Like templates.net offers a wide range of products in various categories, including AI, ML, cybersecurity, DevOps. data analytics, blockchain, developer tools, and the other products also. And if you click on product and support page, so you can find artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, DevOps, data analytics, business, developer tools, and other stuff. Okay. So yep, like the answer is correct. And if I go on, like I'm copying same question, and if I go on chat functionality, so if I click on this, like if I write this same question in chat functionality and enter. Okay. Yeah, it will take some time here. Yep. You can see like techlatest.net offers a wide variety of product. Okay. And you can see like web, the information is come directly from website. So yeah, and the sources is techlatest.net/support. Okay. And yeah, like answer is correct. Okay, so like it is like this is how it works. Basically, search and functionality like search and chat are working. So like I'm also doing one demonstration here. Okay, we go on admin panel and I'll show you like what are the existing connectors here. So you can see pitch deck here. Okay, so pitch deck here. Now I'm click on this. Okay. So like status is succeed and 50.93 docs per minute. One new doc one and total doc count one. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to do experiment with this pitch deck. Okay. And like again, I'm go on search functionality. And no, this time we have to try chat functionality first. Okay. So what we have to do, make a fundraising guide for startup. Okay. Pitch deck was I upload the pitch deck documents so you can see. Yeah. Develop a business plan, determine the type of funding, prepare a pitch, concise network, negotiate and legalize the agreement, use the fund wisely, verify a complex process. Okay. So I like it is, I think answer is developed by AI. Again, I will show you one thing. Yeah, this one. So basically, I tried this previous 7 days, like give an idea of pitch deck for fundraising in bullet points. Okay. So there is one document that I upload. I will show you that is pitch deck. Okay. And if I go on search functionality, if I like search functionality, create a fundraising guide wala and give an idea of pitch deck for fundraising in bullet points. Okay, so based on the information provided in the documents, here are some keys. So this will, I think, this information comes from a doc that I have to upload, that I have uploaded previously in connectors like pitch deck. Okay, so this is how it works, like how you upload the documents. If like I will also show you how you upload documents. Okay, and click on new documents and no, I think give me a add connector file. Yeah, so you can see like I am uploading any documents, like I'll upload any document. Cold mailing. Okay, cold mailing investor tips. Cold mailing. Tips. Okay, click on upload button. This is how you like upload the documents and like extract the information from the documents. I will also show you how you extract the information from the document. Okay, so yep, you can see like not started here. Cold emailing investor tips will again go on. Yep, now succeed. Okay, you can see all the connectors like pitch deck, cold mailing, investor tips. I am also uploading two links, like two website links. First is Medium page of the techlatest run as same techlatest.net website. So again we go on search functionality, or you can try chat functionality. Okay, write cold mailing investor tips. Okay, and enter. So you can see the answer is building. Yeah. Based on the provide documents, here are some tips for cold mailing investors, like personalize, keep it short, sweet. Like how this is how it works. Like this is pretty cool feature, and like how it works. You uploading documents, and this is extract information from that documents and building your answer. Okay, through AI. So this is the how search and chat functionality works, and this is how you upload the documents. You upload the like you upload the URL, you upload the documents, and I'll also show you document sets. Like you can also set any new document, and this is like here you can explore like you can find about the document explorer. This is persona. You can also integrate Slack bot like Slack bot token, Slack app token, and set tokens here for Slack bot configuration. You can also check this OpenAI keys. Simply, you can create account on OpenAI and uh, create account on OpenAI and find URL and paste here. Update key, OpenAI API key, and find OpenAPI key from OpenAI account. Okay, and paste here and submit here. So you can also like integrate OpenAI keys and OpenAI. Okay. Now here you can find about the users. There are users here. Like I am logging with different ID. Okay, so you can find the user here. You have like full admin have full access promote to like or admin have full access of promotion if admin promote second user or third user to admin. Okay, so yep, like you can see admin role as admin. First user is admin, and then second user, third user is always user. Okay, so admin have all the access. Apart from this, I think we have covered all the stuff here. And you can see add connectors option also here. And yep, then we have to do log out. And I will also show you one thing. Okay, if normal user is logging here with different ID, second user, third user after admin. So like how it works. Okay, and yep. So you can see it is like normal user and the functionalities are very limited. Only you can see logout button here, and you can see search and chat uh, feature here for normal user only. Okay, so you can find any stuff like if admin is uploading any documents. For example, if you are working for any organization, okay, and if admin is upload any documents, and you have to simple write your questions, like find your queries. Like if you write any questions here, if I write something here as a user, okay, list uh, make cold email investor tips in bullet points. Sorry, right. Okay, it's my bad. Right. Cold email investor tips. If you enter like click on enter button. Okay, so you can find all the stuff like cold emailing investor tips.pdf. Okay, so admin is upload the PDF, and you can simple if you are a user, so you can find all the answer. Like you can write your queries, and you can ask question from the answer like from search and chat functionality. So this is how admin and normal user works in Dancer UI. Okay, so that's all about this video. Like I'll all show you all the demos, and like we'll meet